drops a leaf and does a spin. All the little monkeys join the grin. Parrot flashes colors bright, squawks a hello in morning light. He flaps his wings and tells a joke. Rainbow feathers fun he spoke. Elephant marches big and strong, blowing trumpets all day long. He splashes water with a spray, cooling friends who run and play. Froggy hops on a lily pad, singing ribbit, never sad. He jumps so high, lands with cheer. Tiny frog friends clap and cheer. Toucan calls with a beaky sound, hops on branches all around. He points the way to hidden treats, sunny fruit and tasty sweets. Hands in the air, spin in a ring. Jump up high, let the jungle sing. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Jungle friends move to the beat. Sing it loud, dance along. Jungle friends forever strong. Sunset wave friends say goodnight. Jungle dreams begin tonight. How? Sunrise in the jungle, vines swing slow. Jungle friends wake up, it's time to go. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Jungle friends move to the beat. Sing it loud, dance along. Everybody loves this song. Monkey swings from tree to tree, laughs so loud and plays with glee. He drops a leaf and does a spin.